Today we learn 5 important vegetables: carrot, tomato, potato, onion, and lettuce. These are common vegetables you see every day in cooking and eating. Repeat after me: carrot, tomato, potato, onion, lettuce. Carrot is a long orange vegetable that grows underground. It has a crunchy texture and sweet taste. People eat carrots raw in salads or cooked in soups and stews. Carrot. Tomato is a bright red round vegetable with juicy flesh inside and many small seeds. It grows above ground on plants. Cooks use tomatoes in salads, sauces, and sandwiches. Tomato. Potato is a round or oval vegetable that grows underground as a tuber. It has brown skin and white soft flesh with small eyes on the skin. You can bake, boil, or fry potatoes. Potato. Onion grows as layers around a bulb underground. It has thin brown papery skin outside. When you cut onions, they release a gas that makes your eyes water and cry. Onion. Lettuce is a leafy green vegetable that grows in loose heads above ground. It has crisp, tender leaves with mild flavor. People use lettuce mainly in fresh salads and sandwiches. Lettuce. Let us review all 5 vegetables together: carrot, tomato, potato, onion, lettuce. Say each name clearly: carrot, tomato, potato, onion, lettuce. Good job remembering all the vegetable names. Now practice saying the vegetable names. Look at each vegetable and say its name out loud. Carrot, tomato, potato, onion, lettuce. Say them again: carrot, tomato, potato, onion, lettuce. Excellent practice.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.